Hearing of Bowman, Lusambo and Joseph Malanji'S judicial review over the Electoral Commission of Zambia's rejection of their nomination papers has been adjourned to 12 September 2022. Mr. Lusambo and his counterpart Mr. Malanji are seeking for a court order to call for fresh nominations and challenging the refusal by the Electoral Commission of Zambia to accept their nominations for the Kabushi and Kwacha by-elections slated for 15 September this year. The High Court was sitting at the Ministry of Home Affairs due to court renovations currently taking place at the Lusaka High Court. When the matter came up in chambers, the state made an application to be joined to the case and the court granted the application. Speaking after the appearance, lawyer representing the applicant Makebi Zulu is optimistic the matter will be concluded before election day.
Our clients do qualify. Since they do qualify, with a question as to whether the election should go on or not, whether they should be deemed to have been nominated, or indeed there should be fresh elections, is now before the High Court, and that will be determined within the coming week. So we're certain that all things being equal, we should be able to resolve the matters before the election, or indeed if a stay is granted to stop the election.
Meanwhile, Justice Minister Mulambo Haimbe has commented on the Constitutional Court verdict, which said a person whose election has been nullified is not disqualified from recontesting an election. Mr. Haimbe says the court's verdict does not mean Mr. Lusambo and Mr. Malanji are eligible to recontest.
And their decision was that a disqualification and a nullification are not one and the same thing. The court did not, in doing so, make any order directed at ECZ to conduct fresh nominations as requested by the applicants. It did not declare them eligible for the 15th as requested, and of course it did not declare the decision null and void.
However, lawyer Tutwa Nguluve, who represented the petitioners before the Court, has a different view.
As far as we are concerned, the Court has already ruled that these guys are eligible to stand. So the next question is, when will the nominations come? When will the next election, or when will the election be held? That is what this court now in the High Court will deal with. Having already concluded that these people are eligible, the next question now is, when is the election date and when are the next nominations? That is what has brought us to court here. So if they don't understand what is going on, they can watch her.
6 days to go for the Kabushi and Kwacha by-elections, and the Electoral Commission of Zambia is expected to give an update on when the ballot papers will arrive in the country. Roda Mvula, Damu News.